Let's go.
Wow.
We're going to find the perfect place to take an Instagram model picture. Right? They're walking. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to my day in the Carlsbad Flower Field. So yeah, this is the entrance of the Flowers Field. As you can see, there's so many people here. It's a really nice day. Carlsbad has just really great weather. It's right next to the beach. So yeah, everything just looks really perfect. And yeah, when you get in here, it's just like a sea of flowers. And this is like the main area right in the middle. So you see flowers to the left of you, flowers to the right of you. And along this area there's just like a bunch of people lining up to take pictures in these little crevices. They're like designated photo areas because when we take photos in there, it makes you seem like you're in like a sea of flowers. That's why I was joking around in the intro saying we're looking for the perfect place for Instagram model pictures, sort of like this one. Yeah, but everyone is just waiting for pictures because that's probably like one of the best things you guys do here. Everyone's just trying to fish for the best picturesque spot to take the best photos, and yeah, that's what we did. And also there's like a bunch of people breaking the rules and jumping onto the flowers to take pictures in there. It doesn't look really that much better in my opinion than just taking it in the designated photo areas, but yeah, if you guys do that, you guys will get in trouble and the security guard will come and yell at you. But yeah, you guys could walk all the way down through different rows and aisles of the flowers. I feel like in the different rows the flowers look different, whether it's like colors, patterns, or whatever. But this is my favorite one. It's literally at the end of the road, row 5, because you guys can see like the sea of flowers all the way to the distance. So that was cool. I definitely recommend you guys walk throughout the flower fields, but they offer tractor rides for like $5 if you guys are too lazy to walk. And also there are other activities you guys can do as well. Most of them are in the front of the flower fields when you guys enter, like a bunch of flower exhibits. For example, this one, the poinsettia exhibit, and there's just like a bunch of gardens and exhibits you guys can walk through. This one had some doves and birds in it. The main event is still the flower fields. That's like the best part of it. But yeah, these little things are interesting as well. Here's like a little flower maze, and also they sell a bunch of like snacks for you guys to enjoy walking around, like ice cream, funnel cakes, strawberry shortcakes, kettle corn, etc. But yeah, overall the whole experience was really nice. But the only thing I could really complain about was that I felt like the price was a bit steep, being at $16. So I feel like if you guys aren't here for like professional photography or anything, it's just something to see really one time. I probably wouldn't go yearly, but definitely it was a sight to see, and I'm really glad I went. And also they harvest and sell the flowers anyways, so they're already making a lot of money. Then after the flower fields, we decided to end our day at the Carlsbad beach. It was really close, only a couple minute drive away. We just watched the sunset, and yeah, why not, right? So yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, and give me tell me what you think about the flower field if you guys been or want to go, and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos from me. Thanks.